Alright guys, I'm going to do a quick unboxing. I have two things to unbox. I have some fragrances from Wholesale Supply Plus. These are my fragrances for the fall. And I also have some colorants from Nurture soaps that I'm going to show you guys. So let's go and do the fragrances first, since I already have these up here. Alright, so see, I have 5 different fragrances. Let's see, the first one here, this is Cinnabon from Wholesale Supply Plus. So we're gonna open it up here. Like. Ooh, that smells so yummy. Yeah, it has like a kind of like this. Yeah, if you ever been in a Cinnabon, an actual Cinnabon store, that's what it smells like to me. See, let's go. This one next. This one is our gingerbread cookie. See, I love gingerbread cookies. Doing it the first time. Oh yeah, that definitely smells like a gingerbread cookie. It really does smell good enough to eat. Every year for the last 3 years, when I go home for Christmas, once I leave school and go home for Christmas, I always make a gingerbread house with my sisters. We never tend to eat them. We always buy little kits to make the houses. So this next one is the White Christmas Fragrance Oil. So I know what this one smells like. Okay. I would say it has kind of like a pine, kind of minty, maybe with a hint of something else. I can't really, I don't know what that is, but it does have like a little Christmas, almost like a Christmas wreath, but not quite. But it's definitely a nice Christmas, you know, it definitely reminds me of Christmas. Alright, let's see this one. This one is pumpkin pie. See that? So let's see, pumpkin pie. Okay, so I've honestly never eaten pumpkin pie. I'm not a fan of pie. I only eat pecan pie and sweet potato pie, and generally either I have to cook them or my grandmother. So I smelled pumpkin pie before at others, you know, going to different houses for Christmas. It definitely does have that pumpkin pie smell, but I have no first-hand experience because I've never baked a pumpkin pie. So, but I think it smells pretty good. Alright, Christmas wreath. Okay, so wonder how similar this is going to be to the White Christmas one. So this is the Christmas wreath. Alright, I'm going to open this one up. Okay, this one definitely smells more like a Christmas wreath. It smells very earthy, got very earthiness to it. That's nice. It definitely reminds me of a nice Christmas tree, nice Christmas tree. So it's nice. Alright, so go set up there. Scissors. Alright. And now let's go to our colorants. So this is my bag of colorants that I received from Nurture soap, and I added a portion on the other side. So I'll just take all of the colorants out here. So let's see. So this is the free gift that they gave me. Yes, I've already opened these up. So let's go. First one here is gold holographic biodegradable glitter. So I'm really liking. I really like to use biodegradable glitters now since they are available on the market. And so this one looks. It is absolutely gorgeous. I don't know what I'm going to use it for yet, but I saw it and I was like, I have to have it. I love glitter. Alright, so this next one is a bronze brown mica powder. I have something in mind with that Cinnabon fragrance, so I brought this to go with that. Alright, next we got a little baggie. Got some smaller sizes, some other colors here. I got the lustrous brown mica. It seems it's kind of mixed with gold almost, so it seems like the brown bronze, but it's mixed with a little bit of gold. You guys can see that. Maybe you can see it. Hopefully you can see it here. So white. Okay. And next thing we have here, this was part of their closeout kind of sale, clearance. You know, they're no longer be selling it, but purple's one of my favorite colors, so I figured I could get a little bit of purple. It's a few bucks. So this is Royal Purple Mica. Better look here at that. It's really kind of, it's a nice light purple, so not, I don't know, when I think Royal Purple, I think of more of a darker purple, but this one's really pretty and it has like a nice shimmer, like almost a silvery shimmer to it. Alright, and I also have some other packages here. Let's go through these. Alright, so the first one is Green Vibrance Mica. I want to use this for my Christmas wreath. And so here it is here. I think I may probably add a little brown to it to kind of darken it up. We'll see. Alright, next is the Firefly Mica. I needed a yellow just because I don't have any yellow mica. So here's that. It is very nice. It's nice bright yellow, but it doesn't seem like a neon yellow, just nice bright yellow. Alright, and then this one is the Honey Blush Mica. So again, I planned some things with that Cinnabon fragrance. So here it is here. I think that's a nice, you know, cinnamon fun color. Alright, and on to the free gifts. We got it here in this nice little baggie. See here. Ooh, this is a pretty color. Let's see. So it's a nice pinkish color. What is it called? It is called Love Poem. Okay, mica. So it's a nice, pretty pink color. Not really. I don't know. Maybe it's kind of close to a nice hot pink. You guys can see that down in here. Okay, so that was my free gift. Alright guys, so this is my full collection for the fall. These are my new fall colors and fall fragrances that I'll be using for my fall Christmas line of soap. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Comment down below. Let me know which color is your favorite and which fragrance you think you would like the most.